I'm going to teach you how to make high dimension YouTube thumbnail in your smartphone using only Pixellab. I've opened Pixellab. So now let's create the dimension. As you know, YouTube thumbnail has the right dimension that you must use. So click on these three dots at the top right corner of your Pixellab app. Once you click it, go to image size, click on image size, and then you select YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280 by 720. So once you click OK, you can now select your background by scrolling this down part of your Pixellab until you locate these two rectangles that has a rounded edge, two rectangles on each other. Now go to from gallery to bring in your background. Now I'm going to browse my gallery to see the background that I'm using. So now I'll scroll to the part where it is. Okay, I'm going for this background. Now I will adjust to what I want, then tick the box as okay. Now you can't leave your background like that. You need to adjust it for you to get a very good quality. So now you click on this magic effect, which is at the last part of your down panel in Pixellab. So you scroll to brightness, reduce your brightness a bit. -24 is okay. So once you activate your brightness, click on contrast, increase your contrast a bit, not too much. So once you do that, you can now start editing. Let's bring in our text. So click on text, type the text, delete all these ones, the default text, delete it. Now you write, let's say we are creating a music thumbnail, the anthem. So once I type this, I will click on done, then click OK. Next thing is to select your font. It is not so good if you are using the default font in Pixellab. Let's make it 2 lines. If you are using the default font in Pixellab, it will not give you the product or the output that you want. So let's go to our font. For you to download font, you can refer to my videos that I've created earlier on how to import fonts into Pixellab. So click on my fonts. These are the fonts I have downloaded. So I'm going to select one which is okay for this design. So I'm using Stretch Pro. So adjust the size to what you want. You can use the line spacing of up and down to adjust the size of space between the upper and the lower text. Once you activate that, you can now click on text again and click edit. Once you edit it, you can start writing. So now write Minister, M-I-N, Dunsin, okay, Oyekan, okay. All right. Once you type, click on done, click OK, and then bring it here. Also, we need to select our font. Go to font, my font or recently used. I'm going to use this font, the one here, signature font. I'll click OK. Can you see? So I need to change the color. I can't make everything white. I need to change the color. Scroll to where color is, select color, and pick the color from the image that you have as a background. To do that, you click the plus button, click this eyedropper tool, this one. Once you click it, bring it to where you want to select from, click OK, and then you have your text in that color. So let me use the color I want to use. I use this one so as to get a brighter look of the text. Now, you need to import the minister image. I've removed the background. You can use remove.bg for your removing of background, or you use CapCut to remove your background of images that has background. So let me increase it a bit, place it here. You see the image is not that good. It's not having a good quality. To adjust this the quality, you go to color filters and then you work with the brightness and the contrast. So you adjust both of brightness and contrast. So once you adjust your brightness and contrast and you have what you want, you can now copy that same image. Click on copy. Once you copy it, increase the size of that image, increase it, place it here. Now go to this navigation and click on to back. Send that image to back, or you can use your layer option. This is your layers, and then you can move the image up or down. Can you see? Up or down. Then you move it backward. Once you do that, you can go to opacity. You can't leave the image like that. Reduce the opacity to the barest minimum so that it will be very, very plain with the background. So you can blend the background together in that way. If the image is too large, you can reduce it a bit, and then bring it back here and place it here. Now, this is a simple design that I've done. You can just adjust everything you have there until you have a perfect cut of your design. If this one needs some padding, you can just click on test, add the padding either left or right. Make sure it is the same so that it will give you a perfect cut of your placing. So once you are done, click on this part here. Once you click it, you can save as image or save as project to work on it later. So click on as save as image. Don't change the dimension, both the width and height. Don't change it. Just click on save to gallery and you have your image saved to your gallery. So kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell.